Okay, so for problem number 27, we did we made a stat plot in our calculator about class midpoint of different age groups and their median income in these age groups. And the first thing it asks you to do is to draw a scat plot of the data and comment on the relation. And so we entered it into stat plot list 1 and 2, and then we went to stat plot and turned on our plot, made it a scatter, and put L1 in for the X list because class midpoint is X, and L2 as the median income because the median income is Y, and we graphed it, and we found that it made a quadratic shape. It was a quadratic function in shape. So and then B asks you to say to use a graphing utility to find the quadratic function that best fits that model, which means basically you just you find out what the equation is for the lines for the points, and we went to quadrag in our stats, and it's number 5 in stat calc, and we got for the
put in Y1.
What?
You have to put in Y1.
Yeah, it's in there. So
I know, but like show.
Okay. We have to go to quadrag and then put it in as a function in y-virus, y1, and we got negative 43.35875 for the A, 4087.46 for the B value, and for the C we got negative 53,211.73 for the C, and we put it into our by doing y1, we put it in our y1 spot in our y equals, and when you graph it, the line goes through all the points.
Alright. The next question asks to use the function found in part B to determine the age at which an individual can expect to earn the most income. And that would mean you go to trace and trace along the line. You want to trace along the line, not the stat plot. And then you go to, second calc, and you go to maximum, which is number 4. And then left bound, go to the left and enter, go to the right and enter, and then enter again. And your maximum would tell you their X value. They're asking for your age, so it would be 46.64, so about 47 years old. And then the next number, or letter C, says use the function found in part B to determine the peak income earned, which would be your Y value, which would be $43,110 and about 36 cents. Okay.